This game is so colorful. All right. This is going to be a very uneventful unboxing. Get out of this. All right. So there's kind of a build up to this. The past few months, I've gotten away from the whole exercising ritual. I can't blame COVID. I'm just lazy. So I need to get out of that funk. And I think this will help me. I hope. So, for one, I don't belong to any Planet Fitness or any gyms. Workout is a personal thing to me. Well, I just don't want people watching me struggle. So I do it by myself. So there's that. I don't really have a whole lot of space to put, like, I'd like to have like a weight bench and some weights and all that good stuff. What are they called? Peloton treadmill. And a buddy of mine, Rick, you know who you are, has a rowing machine, which looks interesting. I have nowhere to put this stuff, so I had to go with, this. I don't think I'll need a knife for this. I don't. Look at me. Bellissimo. Okay. I've heard that these can help you. Oh, maybe I do need a knife. Oh, that smells weird. Probably just got the Rona. Great. Where's these resistant bands? I thought I'd give them a try. Oh yeah, that stinks like, what the hell? Hopefully these are decent quality. They look to be, the reviews were pretty damn good. So there's, what am I looking at here? 15 to 35 pounds resistance, 20 to 60, 25 to 65. You just went up 5 pounds, really? Rip off. And then 35 to 85. So where's the handles? Oh, they're built in. Better have handles. I wear gloves, but still. Oh, this unboxing is so freaking, this one sucks. I can tell already. This is boring as. All right. Yeah, they smell. They got a weird smell to them. Hopefully, it's not. Oh man. Well, I gotta get some handles. Piece of shit. The picture showed handles. What a ripoff. Well, should I keep shooting? Or should I just delete this? Let's see here. What's this? The 20 to 15 to, I don't know. Oh yeah. You got some good resistance. Oh man, I'm gonna be some juicy beefcake after working out with these things. All right. Well, I'll get some handles for them. That'll be the next unboxing. And won't you look forward to that? 15 to 35. Okay. Yeah, I mean, you can put them behind your back and between your crotch and all that, but I don't know. I thought they had handles with them. The other ones had handle. I should have got the other one. All right, well, there it is. Fucking stupid. This is stupid. Sorry I wasted your time. I'll keep them. They look to be good quality. It's just I thought they came with handles. And I am visibly upset. I'm not doing the whole strap them to a door handle and all that crap. I don't. I'll get some handles for them that just kind of strap in there, and then they you know, you got something with a little cushion to them, more comfort, because that's gonna hurt over time. Not gonna be very comfortable. All right, there it is. This is me deflated. If any of you wanted to know what deflation looks like on my end, this is it. I was all charged up, ready to start out with, start my work. I still do like push-ups, sit-ups, stretching, and jumping jacks and stuff like that. Plus these, but no handles. All right, well, somebody was asking me if these lights change color. Oh, can't see that. Okay. Yes. I keep them on white. Oh, damn it. Okay. For the, green, and they do all their stuff. I keep them on white because it helps with the GoPro. But yes, they do. Whoever asked me that, I forget your name. I apologize. I don't know what else to do, man. I'm totally bummed. That I didn't expect that. All right. Well, I'll get some handles for them, and we'll go from there. Hope you're all having a good one. See you next time. Or not. See ya. All right. I did a little rummaging through my stuff, and I found some pipe insulation that I used for, well, a couple of pipes, obviously, but mainly for my zero gravity chairs. There is a bar down at the bottom of these chairs that is just a bar. There's no padding on it, and you can buy a pad on Amazon or wherever for like $22 just to go on the bottom of that. And this was like $3 for 6 feet. So I got some of this and I put it on my zero gravity chairs down there, and it's the same color as the chairs and everything. It matches perfect. So I think crisis averted. I tried this. This can go right in here, And there you go. Because these aren't bad. I mean, there is like I think a 30-day return policy thing on them. Amazon's pretty good about that stuff. They have been with me anyway. I've heard horror stories from other people. I've only had to do the Amazon thing twice where I had an issue. One, well, we won't go into that, but they took care of it right away and everything was good. So, yeah, I think I'm going to hang on to them. I do have a pair, I have gloves that I wear. So, yeah, that's very comfortable. See that squeezing action? So, yeah, that's going to work out. So, F your handles. I made my own. I went back and looked up the... when I bought these, I looked up the order thing and does not come with handles. So there's that. I looked at several of these and some of them came with handles and some of them didn't. So I just, I got them mixed up and confused because that's usually what I do. And I assumed these had handles with them. That's probably why they were cheaper, because they didn't have handles with them. But they're still, man, I mean, So, plus you can put all of them, you can put all of them together and have like 180 pounds or 150 pounds, which I know I will never do. But it's nice to know I can if I want to go that route and really hurt myself. So, there it is, man. Once I put my glove on, Michael Jackson style, I can just be like, oh, beefcake. That's right. All right. So, I don't know if I'll tape those on there or not. I have some double-sided tape. So, it's the Gorilla or the, what is it? What is it called? The 3 letters? The real good stuff. If I put it on there, it's on there. So I got to make sure that's what I want to do before I put it on there, because taking it off, I'll just rip this thing to shreds. All right. There's that. All's well and good. They still smell, though. I don't know. I hope that's not toxic, man. Grow a freaking tail or something. It stinks. Well, quit smelling it, dumbass. I can't help it. All right. Arrivederci.